as we are aware about what are the things required before proceeding for engineering drawing or drafting, let us have a look at engineering drawing or generated drafting using CATIA V5. Before starting the drafting using CATIA V5, we must have at least one part or assembly opened for which we have to perform the drafting. So for that I have this particular part is already opened, for which I will be generating the drafting. So let's continue. You must save the file before proceeding so that you will not lose any of your work. Once you are done with that, then open Start Mechanical Design Drafting. I'll repeat, Start Mechanical Design Drafting. As soon as you will click on that, it will open a new drawing window. For the first time, yes, it will take some time. Yes, so this is your new drawing creation window. Select an automatic layout. What type of layout you want? You want the empty sheet where whatever the views are, you will be generating those views. You will be placing those views manually. Or you want all the views to be placed by default. Whatever the orientation will be in this particular model, the same orientation will be placed over here as per the projection method you select. Then you want to place the front, bottom and right view, or you want to place front, top and left view. So if you want to use any of the layout, you can select the layout and you can directly get the views in your drafting. But the orientation of those views will be by default. Whatever is visible here as a front view, if you will check from this, then whatever is visible, just a second, yes, whatever is visible as the front view, this will be the front view in the drafting. If you want that, then directly you can select the layouts, or you can go for empty sheet. I'll prefer to go with the empty sheet. Then next we have the standards and sheet size. I'll go for modification. Yeah. So in the new drawing, what standard I want to follow, this standard will actually decide the units. And then what will be the sheet size. Our first topic or our first requirement when we go for the drafting is sheet size. So here we are deciding sheet size as well as the standard. Say for this I'll consider A2 size. I'll go for A2. Then orientation of the sheet, I want it to be portrait or landscape, that also I will decide, and I'll say OK and OK again. It will open the drafting environment or drawing environment for me in CATIA V5. This is how the drafting or drawing environment will look like. Again, grids and snap to grid is on, so you can turn it off from here, sketcher grid and snap to point. Then on the left hand side, now you have the drawing tree where all the sheets will be aligned. On the right hand side there are some toolbars available. Say one by one I will drag them, like you have views toolbar, you have dimensioning toolbar, then this generated dimension toolbar. We have some more toolbars as well. This is your annotation toolbar, dress up toolbar, then we have toolbar for drawing as well. These are the toolbars. We are done with defining sheet size, and we have also selected the standard. Now next, what we have to decide or define, as per the discussion, second important thing will be the title block, in which we will be defining projection method, material, scale, and some other things. So let's go for defining the title block. To define the title block in CATIA, I will go for edit sheet background. Edit sheet background. Click on this. So this will take you into the background of your drafting or drawing. In that you will find the toolbar. In that there will be a tool, frame, and title box or title block, sorry. Select it. In this you will be getting the default title blocks available. See, this is the title block we have. This is another one. This is another one. These are actually defined from Dazo. If you want them to be changed, then you will need to go for some customization, which Dazo can do it, or you can go for customization expert. They will actually give you the defined title block or template as per your own requirement. Minor modifications we can give over here. Say I'll select one of them and I'll say apply to this. Whatever the sheet size is, as per the standard size, the title block will be applied over here. I'll just zoom into that. Currently I am into the sheet background, remember that. Now you can make the modification. Just double click on the text and you will be able to make the modifications related to anything you want to. So this is drawing title, you want to give the title, then you can give it over here. Drawing number you can give, who has created, who has checked, who has designed, company name, sheet size, scale, weight, everything is in the text format. You can change it. Once you are done with that, just go for edit working views. After this, you can see this is not editable. If you still want to edit it, then again you can go for edit sheet background. Okay, now we are in the working views. Yes, we have defined the title blocks, but we have not defined the projection method. To define that, I will go for right click on the sheet and I'll go for properties. Now these are the sheet properties. See, you can directly define the sheet scale. Still you want to change the sheet size, you can change it from here. Portrait, landscape, you can change it. Here you will be defining the projection method, first angle projection method or third angle, whichever you want to use. Once you are if you want to define, you can define the sheet name as well. Once you are done with that, say apply and OK. All the changes will be reflected over here. This was all about setting up the drafting or drawing environment in CATIA V5. The toolbars in CATIA V5 which we have to use in the drawing environment, and setting up the units, sheet size, as well as the title block. Next we will see how we can place the views, then how we can go for the dimensioning as well as annotations in CATIA V5 drawing.